asking for a new trial for the former officer found guilty in the death of Andre Hill in November.
Mr. Pearson and Miss Amlin, especially in her new role that is supposed to see high-profile, high-stake cases be treated with integrity. They are both material witnesses in this cover-up.
Former Columbus police officer Adam Coy is the first officer to be found guilty of murder in an on-duty shooting in Franklin County, and now his attorneys are asking for a new trial.
Well, they say prosecutors did not give them all the evidence in the trial, and 10 TV's Lacey Crisp was in that courtroom today. She joins us now live from outside the courthouse with more on this. Lacey.
Defense attorneys argued in court today that the prosecutors had reached out to an expert witness and that witness said the shooting was justified. Well, defense attorneys argued in court today that prosecutors never told them about that witness and that they should have.
Those communications, which I'm sure you know now, don't show that there was some kind of cover-up.
According to defense attorneys, prosecuting attorneys Anthony Pearson and Renee Amlin never disclosed that they asked use of force expert Jamie Borden to give his opinion in former Columbus police officer Adam Coy's murder trial in the December 2020 death of Andre Hill. Defense attorney Caitlin Stevens argued Borden told prosecutors he thought it was a justified shooting. Prosecutors did not use Borden as a witness.
The state of Ohio withheld an expert who provided them an opinion that supported the defense's theory, and it would have changed our entire strategy for not only attacking the state's case, but also the manner in which we presented our defense.
Prosecutors disagreed and said the emails and communication the defense is asking for is privileged.
There's at least one communication that's purely attorney-client privilege, Your Honor, and that has to do with the defendant's request for discovery and preservation of evidence.
Defense attorneys are asking for a new trial, arguing if they had all the information from the prosecutors, it would have changed the way they argued the case.
Do you think it would have impacted the outcome of the case?
Oh, 100%. It would have impacted.
Coy's family packed the courtroom for the brief hearing. Union leaders say this has already been a long process for both families, but that the trial should be fair.
If you're going to run like Shayla did, our prosecutor, she ran on advocating for transparency, for justice in the community. This is a perfect opportunity for her to do that. Release these documents.
Judge Stephen McIntosh did not make a ruling today, though he is expected to before the middle of April. That's when they'll have a hearing to decide if Coy gets a new trial. Reporting live, Lacey Crisp, 10 TV News.